What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.3. And as you can see, I'm not jailbroken and I do not have cydia yet. Now, what you need to do is simply start your Safari browser and go to this address, Pangu 11.mobile. And here you will get an explanation how this works. And they will tell you that you can't install cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken, because Apple has not approved the app. But you can, of course, install apps that Apple has approved. Now, the Pangu team has found a smart way to hide the jailbreak and cydia inside of approved applications. So when you start these jailbreak injected applications, then the jailbreak and the installation of cydia will start in the background. So go to Pangu 11.mobile and scroll to the bottom. And then click on this little icon here. And here they will tell you how it works and tell you that sometimes the apps gets patched and yada yada. You can read it yourself. And click on this link to get a random jailbreak injected app. And sometimes you're not taken directly to an app, and like in this case, and if so, just go back and click the link again. You want a direct download of a jailbreak injected app, nothing else. So if you get anything other than a direct download, then go back and click the link again. I don't know why it decided to mess with me. Usually it takes you to a jailbreak injected app straight away. There we go. Now, all of these apps are, of course, 100% free, and they are injected with code for the jailbreak and cydia. Sometimes these apps get patched, so if the first app doesn't work, then simply go back and try another app. Usually it works right away. And now, when you open this jailbreak injected app, right now, cydia and the jailbreak is being installed in the background. So what you need to do now is pretty much just wait for about 30 seconds or so. Because like I said, right now the jailbreak is working in the background. And I think that should do it. So when you have waited approximately 30 seconds, you are simply going to restart your device to finish the jailbreak. Just power it off. And if you wonder about that blinking, it's the proximity sensor. You can't see it with your naked eye, but if you try recording your iPhone and then watch the video, and you will see that you also get that blinking in your video, in case anyone wonders. And now, when we start up our device, we shall soon see if the jailbreak worked or not. And in case it didn't work, it simply means that that app has been patched. And it happens now and then. Then just simply go back and try another app. Like I said, they are all 100% free, of course. And yeah. And there's the Pangu symbol. That's a good sign. Looks like the jailbreak worked. And it's now finishing up, preparing the system files, etc. Or however you pronounce it, etc. Wow. Anyway. Let's see. Yep, there we have cydia. I was just going to start it up to show that everything is working as intended. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 11.3. Now, if you liked my video, I would be very happy if you commented, rated, and subscribed. Thank you for watching and have a great day.